Hello, everyone. Today is November the 6th, 2020, Friday. Happy Friday. A quick recap from yesterday. The Dow Industrials rose 542.52 points at 28,390.18, while the S&P climbed 67.01 points, lasting at 3,510. The Nasdaq Composite advanced 300.15 points to 11,890.93. Yesterday's trade was following the gains of previous 3 days' momentum and moved up higher. The US dollar index moved lower 0.856 points to 92.551. Gold is trending higher $43.4 to $1,949.60. Silver is trending higher $1.29 to $25.36. It is difficult to explain the behavior of market from previous week and what we have seen so far. One way say the investor can put the election uncertainty behind in a container with a divided government scenario, which means limited taxes increase as well as limiting any actions to control the major tech firms. At the same time, the stimulus may not be as big as originally planned, the $3 trillion that was talking about. As for the election result status, there's a lot of confusing and conflicting statement about how many ballots still remain to be counted, which is why there have been lawsuits, one of which was just thrown out yesterday, and a whole lot of attention on the state's vote council process and progress. We'll see if a contest election result with potential flip the market and going back down. Global stocks are down as election fatigue sets in. Stock futures, the dollar, and oil are among assets in bad food. Bitcoin is on the tier this week, shooting about $15,000. U.S. payment firm Square just reported that almost 80% of the Cash App revenue came from the digital token. INCY has reported earnings per share at loss of 7 cents, while expected profit of 52 cents, and revenue was also slightly lower than 620.64 million. EA Electronic EA missed analyst estimate for second quarter of fiscal year 2021. Even it made the management guidance. The quarterly revenues dropped 15% year to year at 1.15 billion, while the EPS was 78% lower year-to-year comparison at 63 cents. The company, however, announced stock repurchase program in 2-year time span. MAR, symbol MAR, revenue actual was 2.25 billion versus forecast of 2.22 billion. And EPS earnings per share came in at 6 cents versus consensus at a loss of 8 cents, which was way much better. Dropbox, symbol DBX, reported better than expected earnings for its third quarter. However, its share fell 5.1% to $19.10 in the after-hours trading section. Results for the presidential race are still outstanding in 4 states, and markets still on the edge. At the latest data, Biden is taking a lead of Georgia and still have more votes than Trump overall, but they are very close. So we'll stay tuned on what happened to the lawsuit and how things go. Earnings release includes CVS, Health, Hershey, and EW Scripps today. On the data docket, October non-farm payroll and September wholesale inventory coming up, which actually the non-farm payroll came out already, which was 638,000, which is 34,000 less than previous week, but better than expected. U.S. unemployment rate is 6.9% compared to previous week of 7.9%. Regardless, the key is to pick up the solid stock in your portfolio and you'll be benefit from the future value. I am actually going to have a separate video to go over what are the stocks I recommended to buy and what are something good to trade for next week. As predicted, the market had been going up 4 days in a strict row, and so today in the pre-market right now is a little dip. In Friday typically is a day that actually also going down rather than going up. So we'll keep you posted. If you like what I just said in the video, please subscribe if not have done so. Thank you for your support. Have a nice day.